So we meet Mad Lion now, and Mad Lion invite me to his studio in New York.
Okay.
So now we reach a Mad Lion now and start their Mad Lion studio. You know what I mean?
Because I think at that time he was with KRS-One,
he was a KRS-One. So I say, yo, stay at my studio, you're my little artist, and we did there, do dub plate and stuff like that. And then somebody ended up telling me about Dan One up the road. So that's when I went to Dan One now.
Yeah.
And with the connection at Dan One. You know, so every artist have to come to Brooklyn, New York at Dan One studio. So that's where everything started for me from there. After start recording for Dan One, and I meet a producer named Charles Moore.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? He's the one who produced my first song, them and stuff like that. And from there, I start build up and boil up and start take on the place in New York.
And when you first started to record, what was your name at that time?
Squeechy Ranks.
Squeechy Ranks?
Yeah. Yeah, Squeechy Ranks.
Yeah. How did you even get the name Squeechy Ranks?
Yo, we didn't even know the name of the company. Like people just start to Squeechy. You know, like somebody, I remember who gave me the name, but them just start calling me Squeechy. You understand? But when I went to New York now, and start voicing now, a producer named Charles Moore, him said me I change the name.
Yeah.
I want a name for you. I don't want no more Squeechy. Because you going to be one of the biggest artists in the world. I mean, I say, me? I must say, if I you, the man say, watch. Yeah. The man say, I can start make a record for me. And the man say, he want to know if I'm live and I can't go show me one little place and I stay. And I said, no, I give you a little apartment where I just have a lock up and you can go and stay there and you can go on further down and give me a key and say, go and stay as my artist. You make a take on the world. And then we just start DJ and voice songs and things start build up, and then now we start the dub plate and stuff like that, and then we just did a build till one day Dan wants a Bounty Killer come into the studio. And I say, yo, Killer, man say Bounty, I say, yeah, I say, yo, I really want to see who he is. So this one now, and then Dan one clear out the studio because him no want nobody, because Killer Rick said, I say, no want no man in the studio by the time he reach.
Yeah.
I said, Dan one, please, you have to make me stay in the studio because I really want there beside him when him coming to the studio because them man days are like my idol and I look up to him and everything that I say. And Dan one, him man never come. We did there wait and stay so the little artists come and want to see him because they don't know, they have a strong current at the time, and they wait, him never come till midnight. And him come in midnight and him there in the voicing room and me there so. And Dan one, I go run out to be honest out of the studio. I said, Dan one, just please. And Dan one say, all right, stay. And I did this and I watch him. And I hold the high key them. Boy, I said, them bad but me ox. I say, oh, you do that?
Yeah.
And I say, oh, you do that, Dada? I say, practice for slow with him. You know what I mean? I say, yo, more and be great like him, even greater than him. You know what I mean? And from this, so, we just start find the current and, and just start take on New York more vicious, and then take it on, lock down the whole place, start fly, go Trinidad,
So you started flying from in New York?
New York. Yeah. And like Trinidad go do my first show with a song called, and then now, I saw now go out of Baltimore, all these other places, and then now they must say, yo, you have to go to Jamaica, so that's when I meet John now.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.